Start by removing your old mirror. Pull the inner mirror panel off. Lift up and remove the switch panel. Remove the 4 electrical connectors at the back of the switch panel. Remove the reflector from the door. Use a 7mm socket, ratchet, and extension to remove the 2 7mm nuts that hold the door panel on. Lift up and remove the door panel. Use a 5.5mm socket, ratchet, and extension to remove the 4 speaker screws. Remove the electrical connector and then remove the speaker. Peel back the weather shield and disconnect the mirror's electrical connector. Then pull it down through the speaker hole and let it hang freely. Remove the weather strip and the 2 rubber plugs. Remove the 4 10mm nuts using a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Support the mirror while removing the last nut. Remove the mirror. Pull the wires through the door. You can now install your new Trail Ridge mirror. Reinstall the 4 10mm nuts. Tighten them down with a socket, ratchet, and extension. Reconnect the wire harness and put the weather shield back in place. Reconnect the speaker harness and reinstall the speaker using the 4 5.5mm screws. Tighten them down with a socket, ratchet, and extension. Reinstall the weather strip and the 2 rubber plugs. Reinstall the door panel by setting the hooks in and pushing down. Reinstall the trim panel. Reinstall the 2 7mm screws. Reinstall the reflector. Reinstall the electrical connectors. Reinstall your switch panel.